Most travelers do not lose their medication at the airport because they are breaking the law. They lose it because they do not understand the rules, and TSA officers are more trained and alert than ever in 2026. Senior travelers carry more medication than any other group, which means getting this wrong costs more. Here is exactly how to pack and present your medicine the right way. In the 10th place, never pack your essential medications in checked luggage. Most airport medication delays happen because of simple rule confusion rather than intentional wrongdoing. For seniors, the stakes are incredibly high. You often travel with a larger volume of daily prescriptions, leaving absolutely no margin for error. Checked bags, and even those forced to be gate-checked at the last minute, can easily be delayed, lost, or opened when you are away. A single misplaced suitcase can mean missed doses, urgent phone calls for emergency refills, and a completely ruined trip. The absolute rule is simple. Keep every vital pill, bottle, and dose in your personal item directly under the seat in front of you. This keeps your health completely in your hands before you even reach the checkpoint. Number 9. Always keep your prescription labels physically attached to the actual container holding your pills, rather than the cardboard box or a loose paper slip. While TSA rules state that original bottles are not strictly required, individual screening officers frequently flag unlabeled pill organizers. To prevent stressful delays and questioning, proving ownership is key. A photograph of your prescription on your smartphone or a folded paper receipt inside your bag will not satisfy a strict checkpoint officer. If you want to save space and avoid carrying bulky plastic bottles, ask your pharmacist to prepare compact blister packs or flat travel packaging with your official prescription label permanently affixed directly to the foil backing. This simple step keeps your medicine clearly identified and entirely unquestionable. In the 8th place, group all your medications, liquids, and prescription papers into one single clear pouch or zipper bag. When you scatter pill bottles and blister packs across different pockets in your carry-on, you invite a much longer bag search. Security officers want to see everything at once. Keeping your daily pills, liquid medications, and official doctor letters together in one container creates a single easy retrieval point. This simple organization does not change any medical rules, but it turns several loose items into a controlled handoff. When you reach the screening belt, you can pull out the entire pouch in one smooth motion without digging through your luggage. It makes the rest of the screening process much faster. Number 7, liquid prescription medications larger than 3.4 ounces receive a medical exemption from the standard security limits. This means your liquid antibiotics, prescription syrups, or special eye drops do not need to fit inside a single quart-sized bag. To prevent stressful delays, you must keep the original pharmacy-issued label permanently attached to the bottle. This label acts as immediate proof of your medical need. Instead of hiding these liquids in your main toiletry kit, pack them in a dedicated clear pouch at the top of your bag. When you reach the screening belt, pull this pouch out and declare it to the officer immediately. Presenting your prescription liquids proactively ensures they are inspected quickly and keeps your critical liquid doses completely safe. Number 6. Over-the-counter liquid medications are exempt from the standard 3.4-ounce limit, a rule many seniors completely misunderstand. You do not need a prescription to carry larger bottles of contact lens solution, cough syrup, or eye drops through security. These essential items do not belong in your regular toiletry bag mixed with your shampoo. Instead, pack your medical over-the-counter liquids in their own separate clear pouch. When you reach the screening belt, present this pouch to the officer proactively and say, "I have medical items in my bag. Would you like me to take them out?" This simple declaration prevents unnecessary bag searches and keeps your travel moving smoothly. In the 5th place, plan your medication quantity down to the exact dose plus a small buffer. Packing too many loose pills creates unnecessary clutter that flags your bag, while underpacking puts your health at risk. Calculate your needs by multiplying your daily doses by your trip days, then add a simple 2-day safety reserve. For instance, a 7-day trip with twice daily pills requires 14 doses plus a 4-pill buffer. Keeping your supply precise prevents security questions and speeds up screening. If you are traveling internationally, research your destination's laws beforehand. Many countries strictly limit controlled substances to a maximum 30-day supply, and bringing more can lead to border confiscation. Keeping your amounts aligned with your itinerary protects your health and satisfies security rules worldwide. Number 4. Insulin, glucose monitors, and diabetic supplies are treated as essential medical items, meaning they are completely exempt from standard liquid limits. When you reach the screening belt, clearly state to the officer, "I have insulin and diabetic equipment in my bag." Keeping your testing kits, lancets, and spare sensors grouped in a dedicated clear pouch makes them easy for officers to identify without a messy bag search. If you wear an insulin pump or a continuous glucose monitor, you do not need to remove them. These wearable devices can stay on your body during screening. Simply notify the officer before you walk through. Presenting your diabetes gear confidently ensures you protect these sensitive, high-value devices and keep your travel day completely stress-free. In third place, managing temperature-sensitive medications like insulin or rheumatoid arthritis biologics introduces a cold chain travel challenge. You can easily keep these medications refrigerated using cooling cases and gel packs, but you must know the specific state of your cooling aid before screening. The TSA allows medical-grade gel packs to be partially frozen or slushy when presented, provided you declare them immediately at the start of the lane. If you use standard household or food-grade ice packs instead, they must be completely frozen solid. Any partially melted household gel pack will be treated as an unregulated liquid and rejected. Always place your cooling case in its own bin on the conveyor belt, and notify the officer first to prevent unnecessary delays or the loss of your cooling setup. In second place, how you communicate with security officers directly shapes your entire screening experience. Before your bags even reach the conveyor belt, speaking first with a calm, direct declaration establishes immediate cooperation. Rushing through the line or nervously rummaging through your carry-on under pressure can make officers suspicious, leading to invasive bag searches. Instead, take a slow breath, look the officer in the eye, and use this exact line. "I have medical items in my bag. Would you like me to take them out?" This proactive step immediately clarifies your situation. By offering this information up front, you keep the interaction simple, prevent misunderstandings, and ensure your essential daily medications pass through security without unnecessary delays. And finally, in first place, the ultimate packing system that brings every single rule together into one repeatable routine. You can easily bypass security stress by organizing your supplies into a single cohesive setup. Build one dedicated medication pouch for your daily pills, place any liquid prescriptions in their own clear bag, and store this entire medical kit inside the personal item that stays under the seat in front of you. By arriving with clearly labeled prescriptions and knowing exactly where your kit is before you even reach the screening belt, you eliminate guesswork. This structured presentation reassures officers that you are prepared, which instantly reduces scrutiny and gets you through the checkpoint with complete confidence. Subscribe to our channel for more senior travel safety guides. Across these 10 hacks, one truth emerges. Airport security officers aren't looking to confiscate your medicine, they just need clarity. Reassuring organization protects your health and your peace of mind, keeping you in complete control of your journey. Subscribe for more travel safety guides.